In 2024, AQI has released the list of world's most polluted city. And guess what? Out of 100 cities, 94 are Indians. But in today's video, let's talk about the capital city, Delhi. According to the report, 1 out of 7 deaths that happens in Delhi is just because of air pollution. That means 15% people are dying here just because of Delhi's air. Doctors have suggested that AQI from 0 to 100 is only breathable, and after that, it's hazardous. And again, guess what? Delhi's AQI is 795. And in some parts of Delhi, it's even 1700. That's 17 times more than normal AQI. Unbelievable. The situation is so critical here in Delhi is that even 10-year-old child lungs look similar to what 40-year-old chain smoker lungs look like in X-ray. Doctors even claim that a child born in Delhi will lost 8 to 10 years of their life just by breathing the Delhi's air. And you know what's the main reason that make Delhi's air so polluted? No, it's not because of Diwali ke patake, but because of seasonal wind that blow from October to February from Punjab and Haryana that picks smoke from crop fire, dust from the Thar desert and industrial emission from Panipat and delivers everything straight into Delhi's air that make Delhi's AQI 500 plus. And this was the one reason. Apart from this, Delhi has 1.2 crore registered vehicle, which is more than Mumbai, Chennai and Calcutta combined, that emits tons of pollution every single day. But let's think about it. Is this an unsolvable crisis? Because in 2013, Beijing, the capital city of China, has reported AQI 750 plus, and the situation was so worse there that people were using gas masks even for doing their day-to-day tasks. And then, back to 2025, Beijing AQI dropped to single digit. They fixed it. Why can't us? But here in Delhi, air pollution is no less than joke for our government. During election time, air pollution control was in the top of their manifesto. But is that solved? No, absolutely not. Are they even trying? Yes, but with this pace, it will take no less than 4 to 5 decades or even more than that. So tell me what's your opinion about Delhi's air pollution in comment section below, and do follow me for more such informative video.